Yes, student, few questions in previous class we have already discussed. Now, in a revision portion, I am dealing some questions given in NCERT examples. Okay, so look at their explanation. I am also taking few more examples other than the book. Like here, calculate number of moles of following. Student, very first, to solve a question, it is necessary to read the question carefully. That is, in question, which quantities is asked. That is, which thing is asked in the question. You point out this one, and according to this, you have to apply the appropriate formula which we have discussed in previous video. Like here, student, here it is asked number of moles. Okay, so you very first write number of moles. It is denoted by small n. Okay, given mass, it is denoted by W. Molar mass, okay, it is denoted by capital M. Number of atoms or molecules, number of atoms or molecules, it is given by capital N. And Avogadro number, Avogadro's number, it is denoted by N0. Okay, now what is the relationship between them? The relationship is number of mole, that is N, is equal to given mass, that is what, W, divided by molar mass. This is one of the formula, isn't it? Or we can say molar mass is equal to given mass or and divided by number of moles. Again, if we have to find Avogadro's number, this is what? This is constant. Okay, what is this? 6.022 into 10 to power 23 numbers of atoms or molecules. If we have to find number of atoms or molecules, so this number of atoms or molecules is denoted by N0, N, and what is this N? N is equal to number of mole, small n, multiplied by Avogadro number N0. So using this formula again, now I am starting to solve the question. In question, it is given 52 gram of helium. That means what? You have to write given. What given? It is given W is equal to 52 gram. Okay. Now you have to find molar mass. So what is the molar mass of helium? The molar mass of helium is 4 gram. Okay. And what you have to find? Number of moles. So to find the number of moles, you can write N is equal to W upon M. So W is what? 52 upon M is what? 4. So that is become what? 13. And now write here what? 13 moles. Isn't it? So in this way, you can solve the question. Like 11 gram of CO2. Okay, now I am not describing all these things again and again. Simply I am writing number of mole is equal to what? W upon M. W is what? 11 gram. So write here what? 11 divided by what is its molar mass? So to find molar mass, you can write here what? CO2. C mass is what? 12 plus total number of atom of oxygen is 2 and each one has mass what? 16. So that will become 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. So now place this value what? 44. You will get the answer 1 upon 4, or you can write 0.25 and must write what? Moles. Must write what? Moles. Student, one more question is given there, okay, which is related to number of atoms. Okay, find number of atoms, sorry, not atoms, okay, find number of atoms in you can say 48 gram of carbon. Okay, so number of atom denoted by N is equal to number of mole multiplied by Avogadro number. Isn't it? Number of mole is given, not given. So what to do? First we have to find what? Number of mole. So number of mole is equal to W divided by M. What is the W? So W is 48 gram of carbon. So right here 48 divided by molar mass of carbon is what? 12. So that become what? 4 and write moles. Now N is equal to number of mole is how many? 4 multiplied by Avogadro number is what? 6.022 into 10 to power 23. When you will multiply it, you will get the answer. Getting? Student, in the same question, one more thing there, find moles in 12.044 into 10 to power 23. Okay, numbers of helium. What? Atoms. Now again, what we have to find? Number of moles. What? Number of moles. So in 1 mole total atoms is equal to what? N0, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23 atoms. That is simply we can say 6.022 into 10 to power 23 is equal to what? 1 moles. Is equal to 1 mole. So now what you can do? You can find number of moles is equal to given number divided by what? Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Given number is what? 12.044 into 10 to power 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 to power 23 is equal to what? 2 moles. So your answer is 2 moles.